Good day, ma'am. Donna Talo. I am going to make a video, a tutorial video of e-class record and how to make grades of your students through e-class record is electronic record from DepEd. So I am going to do now. So good day. I am going to teach how to input the grades of the students using electronic class record from DepEd. So first, I am going to download the template of the e-class record. Then you choose the high school level if you are a high school teacher. So you click the subject that you handle. So mathematics. So I click. Then after you download it, you open the template. So I click the data sheet of the e-class record. So after that, I will import the data. So region 7, division of Bohol, and how to insert text. You just click the box, then you enter the words. Then for the school ID, year 2022 to 2023. Then section, name of the teacher, then you put the name of your students. And how to put you just enter the box, then you put the name of your students. So I will give you the example for the students. I'm using E to A. It is students, for example, E to example. Student A, then student B, student C, student D, then student A. Then after that, we're going to import the grades of the students. So click the quarterly 1. Then we're going to write the highest possible score of written works, performance tasks, and quarterly assessment. So The highest possible score of written works is 10. And they have 4 written works. Then for the performance task, they have 10 highest possible score and 3 performance tasks. Then you just click the column and put the highest possible score. Then you click, then put just then for the quarterly assessment, they have a 50 highest possible score. So I will input the score of the student A. So this is his possible score. 8, 9. So this is the total of the score. So 35 total. Then we're going to times the total. So 35 times 2, the result is 87.50 points. So the percent of his written works is 35%. So for the performance task, this is grades score. So score. Then this is the result of 28 total, then 93.33. Then the percent is 37.33%. So for the quarterly exam, you have a score of 49. So his grades for initial grade is 91.93%, and for the final grades for the quarterly is final grades 94%. Then that is grades of student A. Then you just type the following score of your student. You click the column, then you just type the score of your student. Then you just continue typing the score of your students after you finish it. Then that is the grades of the student B and C. Then we will continue the student D and A. So then the student A, this is his score. And then for the performance task, then for the quarterly assessment. So this is the grades of the following students, the E, B, C, D, and A. So the grades of student A is 94, B is 93, C is 95, then D is 93, then the last is 93. So after that, we will see the quarterly 2. So just what I'm do for the first quarter, you just input the following score of your students for the written works, performance tasks, and quarterly assessment. Then then you continue the quarter 3, then quarter 4. Then you will see the summary of grades of your students. You will see the for quarter 1. So just you can see the first quarter grades of your students. So you have, then you will continue the grades for your students in quarter 2, 3, and 4. Then you can see the final grades. Just what I'm doing to quarter 1, you'll just input the following score of your students. So thank you for watching and listen to my tutorial e-class record from DepEd. So you can see it and you can do it in your own and how to import the data of the following score of your students. So thank you. Good day. Good day, ma'am. Then after that, you can save your data sheet. Then you can save it. So save. File, save. So then